Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Sonim XP10 for AT&T. So this is a new smartphone for AT&T. It's available now on the postpaid service. So this is, I guess, a real good smartphone, I guess. So if you guys are interested in this one, I'll have this link down below. So it's available now in black, $15.84 a month for 36 months, full retail price. $569.99. So yeah, this brand, I really never heard of them. I know that they like make phones and stuff, but I know that they have phones on AT&T and Verizon. So this is the XP10. So yeah, there is the front of the phone right there. The capacity is 128 gigabytes of storage, so not bad. So this is the phone right here. You guys got your earpiece there, your screen there, your Sonim logo there, your home screen buttons there. I guess this is your fingerprint sensor, and I guess these are your speakers, I guess. I don't know. And you got buttons on the right side and left side. So yeah, I don't know what this is up here. No idea. So yeah. So that's the front of it. It looks very interesting. I think the screen is 18:9, I think. But it looks 16:9 though. I think it's a 16:9 screen though. So your standard resolution, outdated resolution from like 5, 6, 7, 8 years ago. So yeah. There's the left side. You guys got some buttons there. I guess this is like your convenience key, push the talk key or something. And then this, I guess your volume keys. I don't know. There's the front there. There's like some application on the phone. Pretty interesting there. There's the right side of the phone. I guess this is your power button. And I don't know what this is here. I have no idea. There's a closer look at the right side. Oh, that might be your micro SD and some card slot, I guess. Maybe. And then I guess this is your power button right here. And then left side, this is a closer look at the left side. I'm assuming this is your volume button, so your key here, your key here. I don't know what the key is. You might be able to program it to like to different apps and stuff. And I don't know what this is up here. I have no idea what that is right there. Alright, so that's the that's gotta be the, hold on. So I'm assuming that's the top of the phone. You got this red button here. I don't know what that does. I guess that's like noise cancellation microphone. I don't know. It's kind of interesting. Down the bottom, I guess this is your charging port and stuff like that. And that on the back of this Sonim XP10 is your dual camera setup. Camera flash is right here. It looks like a single camera flash, which is the single camera flash is better than nothing. Then you got your Sonim logo, AT&T logo under that. You got like some textured back for grip and whatnot. A little back plate door thing, so you'll probably need like a screwdriver or a coin to get this door off it. The battery does come off, and so the battery is removable, so if you guys need to replace the battery, you guys will be able to do that on this phone here. I think this is like a rugged smartphone. It kind of looks rugged to me. Here's a closer look at the back there. Like I said, you guys got your dual camera setup, camera flash, Sonim logo, AT&T logo, your textured back there, your little lock there. You guys will need like a screwdriver or a coin to get that off and stuff. So maybe your micro SD card and SIM card slot is on the inside, is on the back here. I don't know. Then there's the back of it again. So yeah. So yeah, it took me a little while to get through that, but it's all good. Like I said, 128 gigabytes of storage, $15.84 a month for 36 months. For retail price, $569.99. Yeah. So it says here, the Sonim XP10 allows those working in the toughest environments and terrain to have an ultra rugged, reliable phone that will withstand the elements. A FirstNet-ready device that offers the best of both cellular and LMR-like capabilities with push-to-talk capability. It does have a push-to-talk button. That's what the yellow button is on the left side. It does have push-to-talk, so that's what that button is. Ultra loud speakers, 5 dB higher than its predecessor, and Goodix noise echo cancellation, all backed by an industry-leading 3-year comprehensive warranty. So that's very nice. So this is good for those of you who work out and who work outdoors and like constructions and stuff. So if you guys need like a rugged smartphone, I mean, this phone is worth taking a look at here. Videos and images. So show you guys more pictures of the phone here. So there's the left side. This here is your push to talk button. I figured it'd be that, or a reprogrammable button to program to different apps and stuff. So this is not what that is. This is a push to talk button. So pretty cool. Yeah, there's your left side there, right side, and all that. Left side, I guess this is the top of the phone, bottom, back, and whatnot. Specs on the Sonim XP10. It has intuitive glove and wet finger friendly touchscreen, also visible in direct sunlight, so you guys can use this with wet fingers and gloves. So if you guys are outside in like the cold or whatever, and you guys need to use the phone to make calls or whatever, you guys can use gloves and it will work just fine. And you can use the gloves to touch the screen and it should work just fine. Okay. FirstNet-ready to reliability service, to reliability. FirstNet-ready to reliability serve public safety workers and the first responders. So this phone here is for like first responders, so that's why it has the FirstNet-ready feature on there. So this is good for like first responders, like fire, EMS and stuff like that. So yeah. Oversized push-to-talk button for easy and fast connectivity in challenging environments. Extended battery life to ensure connectivity in crucial times. Alright. Your dimensions on the Sonim XP10: 6.34 inches height, 3.5 inches width, 0.65 inches depth. The weight of the phone is 11.3 ounces. Display's 5.5 inches, so the screen is a bit small. 1080 by 2160 pixel resolution. So it does have a 18:9 aspect ratio. So it has a full HD display. Cameras, rear facing dual cameras, 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel wide field of view camera. So the 50 megapixel is your main camera, 8 megapixel wide camera on the back, 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second, video playback Full HD at 30, Full HD plus at 120 hertz, and V8 and V9 and VP9 and VP8 playback, 8 megapixel front facing camera with standard framing. Other shooting options include touch shot, self timer, shutter sound. Y'all will have a 5,000 mAh battery. The battery is removable, so if you guys ever need to replace the battery, you guys can do that. Talk time 31.6 hours. Standby time 21.7 days. Audio playback 76 hours on speaker, 96 hours on headset. It does have wireless charging, fast charging, of course. Time to charge to 50%, 60 minutes. Time to charge to 100% is 160 minutes. So what's that like 2.5 hours or so? So not bad. Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 processor. That is a 5G chipset. I'm pretty sure that this one is 5G. I'm pretty sure. It'd be crazy if it wasn't 5G, which I'm pretty sure that the phone is 5G because it has a Snapdragon 480 processor, and the Snapdragon 480 is a 5G chipset. Alright, that's a mid-range chipset there, so not bad. Octa-core processor. Y'all guys have 128 gigabytes of internal storage. Y'all will have up to 1 terabyte bare micro SD card, 6 gigabytes of RAM, Android 12 on board, which is very nice. It does have 5G, so that's pretty much standard now. It does have 5G, which is very nice. It does have 4G LTE as well if you guys don't have 5G in your area or whatever. And the bands that support for 4G LTE are bands 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 20, 25, 26, 29, 30, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and band 66. Alright. It does have 4G with HSPA, which it does have 4G HSPA plus, which I'm surprised that's still a thing, cause it's like old as fuck. It is GSM there. It does have HD voice, Wi-Fi calling, Wi-Fi connectivity on the Sonim XP10 802.11 ABGN and ACI R and K. I don't know what the K is in the Wi-Fi connectivity. I don't know what K is. It does have dual-band Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth 5.1, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices. It does have push to talk, enhanced push to talk, noise suppression, wireless emergency alerts. It takes a universal SIM card, which is interesting. So that's pretty cool. Your sensors that have accelerometer, ambient light, barometer, compass, fingerprint, gyroscope, proximity. Your fingerprint sensor is on the front of the phone. That is the capacitive fingerprint sensor on the front between the two speakers. So yeah, it has Gmail. Obviously, it'll run the Android. It has YouTube Music as your music player. There's your internet compatibilities. There's sustainability, product codes, and whatnot. What comes in the box is a quick start guide, quick charger, brick, Type-C cable, and you guys get a screwdriver in the box to open up the back of the phone to access your battery and such. So that is pretty cool. So pretty nice touch there. So yeah. So yeah, if you guys are first responders and stuff and you guys need a rugged smartphone and whatnot, the Sonim XP10 is the phone for you. It does have FirstNet ready capability, so this is for like first responders, so this is good for that. it has all the latest features and stuff. It has like a mid-range chipset, which isn't bad at all. It has 5G, Android 12, big battery, removable battery, expandable storage and whatnot. So check it out. I mean, it's a very interesting looking phone. So yeah, so there you guys go. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It bless me a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.